think I messed up. Let me. Oh crap! Well, haha, YOLO. I mean, what help, man? Hey everybody, it's me, Angus, and today we're gonna be in a Terraria video for the computer. I believe this can also work for console versions. So let's get right on to it. So I have this. I just recently found out about the Hoiking glitch. I mean, I've seen it for years, but I've never got interested in it until recently. Because I was trying to build an elevator up to like the sky in my house. So what hoiking is it basically makes you travel faster with just a platform and a few blocks and a hammer. That's all you need. You can have any type of block. I have luminite blocks. You can have even dirt blocks with this. So let's get right on to it. So we got the platforms. Just put that here, and then get the hammer. Bam, boom, and then okay, this is for the right side, and then basically you just do the opposite thing on it. And oh, I think I messed up. Let me. Oh crap! Well, haha, YOLO. I mean, it won't help, man. It just won't hurt, right? Yeah. You know what? We're just having fun. Okay, let me just get out of here. I realized I was left clicking. Show you how to equip the rocket launcher. I'll grab it. Alright, so we got this big hole here. Ah, don't worry, I can patch it up. Oh, wait, what? Ah! Hey, what is that? Yeah, so there you go. Just gotta clean up the grass. And then we clean up the grasshoppers. There we go. Look at that. It's all beautiful. Let's get our pickaxe set and remove this. There we go. Get here. Okay. Yeah, there's a strange plant. We just do bamboo. Okay, so let's see how to make it. So with my luminite blocks, I'll make a hoiking system. So go right. You just need to do this. Do I still have my platforms? Yes, I do. That, and then I'm supposed to do that, and then what this should do, you should do this if you're going left. So as you can see, I hoiked, and then you can make it however long you want. Make the blocks one block away from each other. If you're going to do it on the left side, you just make it go in the opposite direction. So now we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna make an elevator. I mean, one of those things, you know, like in pyramid, you like build like a dungeon thing, and then, you know, you get the mob spawn, you get dungeon guardian, duck. Haha! No, it's just some gun. No. Oh crap! Just yeah, the dungeon guardians are basically like my little bodyguards. So what you want to do here is just kill the dungeon guardian. How do I? Get away from me! Please stop it. Or you can just do that. There you go, Emily. Alright, so you just continue your hoiking. So yeah, it can kill the dungeon guardian possibly if you have the right timings. And then you just do that. Frick, I messed up. Alright. Now you place this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, right here. And then go up by 1. And then you can actually just put down another block here. Yeah, right over here. And then you go up. Yeah. Let's see. I think this is enough. So, bam. Nope. I just did it. Alright guys, so we just finished the Hoiking glitch. It looks pretty good. And let's test this thing out. So just this, hold this, go right, and look at that, it works. So I'm gonna fix the camera. Yeah. And then look at this. I'm gonna spawn the dungeon guardian. That tombstone though. Yeah, let me just try again. Yeah, just try again. I'll spawn now. Wait! Thank God. And then we do this, get our flare on, and then bam! Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed, then hit that like button. And if this is the first video you've watched by me, then make sure you subscribe. And also, you can just do this, like make an elevator to wherever you want. Up or down, it's just really fast. It's really useful sometimes, like, oh, a transportation device to the ocean. Use Hoiking. Don't use minecarts. So, alright. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next.